Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mika and I'm very excited today to do an unboxing with Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution is a makeup brand, pretty affordable line, so you can get them at ULTA, you can get them online at makeuprevolution.com. So huge thank you to print.com, huge thank you to Makeup Revolution for sending me a whole box filled with the skincare, the makeup. So I am really excited to do this, so let's stay tuned together and let's see what we got in the box. Hello, here's the box. So let's get started. So I'm really excited about this. This is a Molten Body Glow Face and Body Liquid Illuminator. This is just so pretty and I am so excited. So I'm just gonna add a few pumps on my skin and this will work so pretty on your neck area. You can add a little bit here for a glow. You can add a little bit just in this areas right here to make them look more illuminated. Look how gorgeous this is. So this is the Molten Body Glow. It's a face and a body illuminator. So definitely love this. Up next we have Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying 16-hour wear face setting spray. So I've actually, when I did this makeup today, I've sprayed this on my face and as you can see my face still looks pretty fresh. So I'm just gonna do a few more and it smells really good. It actually smells pretty refreshing. So, and then of course we have retinol with the rosehip oil. I love retinol because retinol, you know, it works great for wrinkles. So, and it comes in a little droplet like this. Super cool. And then vitamin C. I'm a huge lover of vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of my favorite things to use on my face. It just brightens my skin a lot, helps me get rid of the sunspots. So I think this is going to be very helpful. And it also comes in a bottle like this. Let's see, then we have a serum. Up next we have Super Strength Formula Blemish Refining and a Moisturizing Serum. So I have never tried anything like this before. So, and it also comes in a little droplet like this. Has a little droplet. Pretty cool. And then we have the concealers, shades, and Conceal and Define Long Wear Concealer Crease Proof. So these are still sealed. I haven't had a chance to use them, but here they are. And then we also have Calming and Soothing Moisture Cream. So this is, here's the cream. Let's open it up and it looks like this. So I'm going to try a little bit on the back of my hand. It feels very soft. It smells, it has a very nice light scent to it. I like it. Seems very moisturizing. And then of course we have the banana powder, which is, I have never tried any other brand of banana powders, so I'll be really excited to try this. We have a mascara, eyeliner. Can't try the mascara or an eyeliner because I have lash extensions, but I will save this for next video, like when I do makeup with somebody else, so we'll use it then. And and look how pretty this lipstick. Can you guys see this? This is a very gorgeous red color, and this is in color Ruby. So, and I love the little touch of lipstick in there, the touch of lips. So gorgeous, and I love the I'm all about the packaging too. So this is very pretty, very chic. This is an eyeshadow palette, which is very gorgeous colors. Let's take a look. We have two little swatches. We'll do a little swatch on this finger. We'll do a little swatch here. Very pigmented. This is without any primer for eyeshadows, so This is gorgeous. And it has mattes, it has nudes, it has shimmer. So this is could be very helpful. So for like the clients, I like it. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is my esthetician. She always talks about hyaluronic acid and says that how good it is to have, you know, use it on your skin because it plumps, gives immediate plump to the skin. So it also comes in a little droplet in a bottle like this. So which is cool. I love hyaluronic acid. This is what I'm really excited about. First of all, let's take a look at this packaging. This is very gorgeous. It's a metal, so look at this gorgeous colors, and this is Forever Flawless Allure palette. So, and I tried it. I actually tried a few colors a couple of days ago, and this is stunning, y'all. Look how gorgeous these colors are. So let's do a little swatch and see. This had to be my favorite color. It's so pretty. And then we'll try very pigmented, gorgeous colors. Perfect for fall. Just love this. So, and I'm gonna do a little swatch on my finger. Let's take a look at it again. It has nudes, it has your browns, it has your dark browns, it has your shimmer gold, it has the pinks, the maroons, purples, you name it. It's got every single color. So yeah, so that's all we got for the Makeup Revolution. So I'm just gonna swatch this palette on my wrist right now so we can see just how gorgeous these colors are.